tidy up this afternoon, put some tools away. The heads-up display mount. It's going to go into what used to be the ashtray in front of the windscreen. You probably get the gist of how it's going to sit. So it sits in there. So once we get the reflector up there, bit of reflection off the screen, heads up, we'll be working. Sorry mate, bit disappointed. This is now jammed in reverse again. Doesn't matter what I do, I can't get it out of reverse. So I removed both of the detent covers. I can get the spring out, but I don't believe that's going to help us, but because there's another detent which is inside the case for the reverse gear select. I think we're going to have to pull it apart to find out what's going on. What do you do when the car gods give you lemons? Take them on and off, spend some time in a drizzle rain, and have a look at some cars.